Jeep Wrangler JK. Gonna take this stock unit with the buttons, gonna switch it over to a touchscreen from the factory, both factory, but the touchscreen a little bit better. Let me show you how. It's real easy. What is up, guys, and welcome back. Check it out. We got the Jeep JK here, and again, we're changing out this button style radio for the touchscreen radio. Like I said, you can't get much easier than this, but the thing is, a lot of people, they upgrade their stereo systems and stuff, and they put their factory one on eBay, Let Go, whatever you're gonna get it from. If you can, try to get one that has a code included, so you don't have to go through the hassle that I go through, calling up the dealer and getting that code for you. Without further ado, let's put it on. Only tools I'm gonna use, 7mm and some interior removal tools. First thing I'm gonna do is take out this little rubber liner inside of this up top. It pulls right out, and then there will be a 7mm right up in there. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to take off this panel down here on the bottom. Just like that. Now that'll expose two more screws, one right here, one right here. Go ahead and take those out. Once I get that out, now I want to take out this little section right here with the window control. Carefully try to get that to pop out of there. There should be a harness on the back. Just like that. Underneath that, another 7mm. Go ahead and take that one out. I take the steering wheel down and pop this piece off. There we go. Now with that off, got 4 bolts holding the radio in, 7mm again. Now the only question I have is the anti-theft code, if it was triggered on the one I bought. One I bought was from a guy that had his Jeep totaled and he's parting it out. I got his VIN number, serial number from the new radio. I'll show you where to find that. You can call a dealer and they'll give you that code. Now all it needs is a healthy tug, nothing too crazy or you're probably doing something wrong. So I'm gonna grab a hold of it. Nice little healthy tug. And there's our connections. Get into this box here, pull this out. You'll see our new touchscreen unit. There's that. There's that. There's that. Now I'm going to double check, make sure all these wires look like they're connected into their connector. Nice and snug. That's all there is to it. I put it in, make sure your wires don't get bound up. It feeds right into its own little spot. There we go. The little empty terminal on the back, I forgot to mention, that is for the backup camera. I didn't have one from the factory, so I left it empty. You can check out like eBay, Amazon and stuff. You can buy you a backup camera that has that connection on there, sails right into your radio, nice and quick. I'll just reverse install everything. Hope it hasn't triggered that safety mode. I'm gonna get the code anyway in case it does. Our dash trim. Thing's a little tricky getting in and out of there. It's a big old pig, barely fits. Okay, looks like everything is lining up pretty good. Everything feels nice, where it should be. We can go ahead and start to clip it in. It should have a nice satisfying click when it clicks into its home, especially over in this region. It's clicking all in. Everything else line up with these that we took out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with this one right here. And I'm going to work my way to the left. Make sure everything lines up, and then I'll bind it up by jumping all around. Don't want to break anything, so be real gentle. Make sure it's perfectly lined up, and then snap. Let's hope she lines up, and she does. 2 bolts left, right below the driver. Oh, if it's not dirty, it's not a Jeep. You're not using it right. I'll use that excuse, I guess. Put the steering wheel back. Put our little thing full of the wife's goodies back. And we got one more panel we got to snap on. This comes in from the bottom. Snap those 2 bottom pieces in. Lead it up nice and square. Give it a push and a snap. Let's see if she works. If she needs the code. I hope not. Oh yeah. Great. What code should we try? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. The bad news is I gotta wait till Monday to get the code from the dealer. Well, there you go. There's how you install it. If you're interested, check out the video on my channel of the year-long tire shine. I think you'll like it. Turns out real nice. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Also check the channel down there. There's all kinds of good stuff to watch, other Jeep stuff, all kinds of stuff. Keep you busy forever. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace. Got your bumper, bro!